In cloud accounting, we are only saying a system of accounting wherein the accountant or the preparer of financial statement need to connect to the existing accounting software residing on the servers of the service providers. That is, you go online, you access the particular accounting software you want to use, then you use it to generate your reports, which you can print or which you can store for future use. In cloud accounting, you don't need to buy a software for installation on your laptop or desktop or palm top or notebook or ivory tower. One of the key requirements in cloud accounting is strong internet connection. When you have a strong internet connection, you have a functional email address, as well as the domain or the link of the particular software you want to access online. With cloud accounting, we are saying we take accounting to the next level. So that, for instance, you're out of the country and you don't have your devices with you, and you are the accountant in your organization. You don't have your laptop, you don't have any desktop, you just travel. Even with your phone, your Android phone, you can access this software online. We are going to see later a comparative analysis of cloud and desktop accounting. For cloud accounting, number one, it is automatic update. As we have current issues that need to be updated in the use of the software, it is done automatically. That's one key advantage. Also, in terms of backup, no more backup worries. We have that also available in cloud accounting. And when we talk about cloud accounting also, we have various software you can access in the cloud. Some other people call it online accounting. Guess what happens if you install an accounting software on your desktop or your laptop, and suddenly you misplace the laptop, or it's stolen, or virus even attack it? That may mean disaster. That may mean the end to all the information you have on that laptop. But if it is cloud accounting, let your laptop be stolen, let it be destroyed, let it be misplaced. As soon as you have another access to any other laptop, any other desktop, or any other device, you can access your information. And what are these type examples of software you can access online via the cloud? We have Sage online, we have QuickBooks online, we have Mayo online, we have Wave Accounting online. These are accounting software that you can access online. I will quickly share with you the slide on cloud accounting. Then we go straight to the practical demonstration. We don't want to really waste time on this theory. The essence of this meeting is application. Like I explained earlier, cloud accounting is not really new. It has been in existence for a while. It's also referred to as online accounting. We already use such online software deliver services like internet banking. That's online also. It is a new way of accessing your accounting software from the web browser without actually installing it. All these I've explained. Let's go. How does it work? Cloud accounting software works in essentially the same way as all other cloud-based software. We are just talking about the space, in the cyberspace, in the cloud. We have different software, or we have, that's occupying the space. But we are looking at the space now occupied by accountants, and that is the cloud accounting software. Say you can log into a service like checkbook and perform accounting practices on any computer on the planet with an internet connection. It's one of the reasons I did mention to us that internet connection, very, very important. The benefits of cloud accounting include security of data, cost management, accuracy, collaborative system, simple integration, increased efficiency, flexibility, very flexible, free update, better navigation, help from forums, because different forums can be connected in the cloud. Then we say overall, the cloud storage system is scalable. And by scalability, we're just saying when you use it, you will realize that cloud accounting system streamline your account management system. Now, quickly, we want to see cloud versus desktop accounting. Get the difference. When we say cloud accounting here, we are saying you just need your browser, you need internet connection, then you need a functional email address to access the software existing online. That's they reside on the server of the service provider. They are not just free there, because as we are going to see later, once you are given access to use this online-based accounting software free for 1 month, after a month, they will ask you to be paying monthly subscription. And the month you refuse to pay your subscription, you can't access any of your record again. See, there are primarily two platforms for your accounting and bookkeeping, cloud-based and desktop. Cloud-based software includes Xerox. We are going to see all those later. Now, comparing the two, number one, for cloud accounting, you can have unlimited user. Ask for Xerox accounting. That's another type of online accounting software. Xerox accounting. Then for QuickBook Online, you can have up to 25. Then when you talk of desktop accounting, I know we can have one, as we have in Sage 50 Pro, 1 user. But then there's also Sage 50 Premium, 5 users. Then there's Sage 50 Quantum, 7 and above. See the advantage of cloud accounting over desktop accounting. Unlimited users available. Then in terms of pricing, for cloud accounting is monthly subscription, but for desktop accounting, you can just buy the software installed. They call it perpetual license, once and for all. Then for desktop accounting also, we have provision for the one that will be asking you to be paying annual subscription. Accessibility, all you need for cloud accounting is an internal connection. That's connectivity, and you can access all information. But for desktop accounting, a license is purchased per computer, as if it is one to a system. Then applications, are apps and customization. For cloud accounting, we have over 450 third-party apps to build custom tech stacks. But for desktop accounting, it is not so. Reports, they have this in common. There is a built-in ability to create custom reports and forms. What I mean here, that you want to use your accounting software to generate invoice or receipt. There is a way, or there is provision to customize the receipt to read the name of your company or your organization. That's a customized, built-in reports and forms. Then data backup 24/7. There's backup, so you don't have backup worries for cloud. But for desktop accounting, backups sometimes are manual. When is the last time you back up your data or machine? That is, you are using a desktop accounting, you need to be backing up your information so that the day there will be a crash of system, you'll be able to access them. Then another area is sharing with accountant. For cloud accounting, your accountant can log into their own account and see the same real-time data. I mentioned that earlier. irrespective of where you find yourself. If you are in the cloud, you are using cloud accounting, you can access information. Not so with desktop. Automation, so go ahead and streamline those workflows. Everything automated. That is in cloud accounting. Frequency of updates. For cloud accounting, if there is a software update, tax change, or any other thing that needs to be updated, it occurs at averagely 3 to 6 weeks. You see all these updates. Whereas for desktop accounting, it can be yearly. Ladies and gentlemen, here are some of the accounting software you can access in the cloud or online. Online Sage Accounting, Wave Accounting Cloud, MyOb Accounting, Accounting Right, ZipBook, Bookkeeping, Cloud Book Accounting, QuickBooks Online. So these are some of the accounting software you can access online. Then when we talk of desktop, we have Sage Accounting, QuickBooks, That Easy, MS Money, SpecPay, Eagle Tracks for inventory management. MyOb Accounting also we have it, desktop, Busy Accounting, Budgetmatic, Sun System Software, Tally Accounting. I'll say the cloud accountant. How many of us desire to be a cloud accountant? Let me share this with you. Some few years back, I organized a conference for ANAN, for the association in Dubai, as the education training ICT skills chairman of the association. I think it was done in collaboration with White Knight Consulting. And during this foreign conference in Dubai, we invited a resource person to come and do a practical demonstration of this cloud. And he demonstrated ERP, some ERP. When we say enterprise resource planning, that one is for multinational companies, and in enterprise resource planning, that one is also cloud-based, but the ERP does more than just accounting function. Anyway, somebody is this man is so versatile in the use of cloud-based accounting software to the point that they nicknamed him Cloud Evangelist. So you also can be a cloud accountant, that anything online. And that's why we advise both professionals and the would-be professionals to specialize. It's good you have general and broad knowledge of accounting, but if your area of expertise is tax, be the tax person. If it is cloud, be the cloud accountant. And if it is consulting, be the consultant. So this guy specializes in cloud accounting. They call him Cloud Evangelist. And he did a demonstration using Acumatica, because we have this ERP, we have Navision, we have Acumatica, they're different versions. After posting a transaction, somebody just posted transaction, and the next thing, he started showing us the report. Say, this is how the report will look like in United States, this is how it will look like in Nigeria, this is how it will look like in United Kingdom. Different reports. But the one that really flabbergasted us, that surprised everybody, was another conference organized again for the association in the same Dubai. And this time around, it has to do with artificial intelligence. We are going to see that tomorrow. In AI, what they just do there, that's the difference now, cloud and AI. You just send instruction, give this machine a directive, prepare this statement, and send it to this particular email address without any further human intervention. The AI pick up all the data, generated the financial report, and delivered it to the email address. We are coming to that later. Now, what you are seeing on the screen now is the procedure to access Sage 50 online accounting. We are going into practical. And say the first step is for you to launch your browser again. You launch your browser, then you type what you are seeing there, accounting.sage1.co.za. If you are seeing it clearly, you can write this down. Write it down, accounting.sage1.co.za. You write that down. We are still coming back. We'll take a practical demonstration. Taha Abdurrahuf is raising his hand, or is he or her? Please, can you unmute yourself? Let's hear what you got to say.
Hello?
Taha, you can go ahead and ask your question.
All right. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you for a wonderful presentation, sir.
Now go there.
Sir, please, this presentation, at the end of the day, mine is suggestion. Can we please get a recorded presentation, maybe to our various WhatsApp group?
All right, I think the IT team in the college is taking care of that.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, now good. All right, here are the steps to access the Sage online. We are going to see the practical shortly. Let's leave all this, we'll do it practical, you will see it. Then, information technology, IT-based training, ACCSA Global. Let's leave that information. I will go straight now. We'll do a practical demonstration. We take question 1, case study on page 17. Then there is one I will give you as takeaway assignment. You go and attempt it. Then you can draw my attention on area you need further guide in order to solve case study 2. I'll give you the relevant guide now. Now let's go cloud. What you do first, if you have your laptop with you, even if you don't have laptop and you have your phone handset, your Android phone that there is provision for internet access, you do Zoom with it, and you have the browser, either Firefox, Chrome, and so on. If you have your phone, that is the beauty of cloud accounting. With your phone, you can do that. So don't say you don't have laptop. If you have your phone, bring it out. Let me show us what we'll do now. Now, what we want to do now is to access a software, Sage Cloud, online. And to do that, the first step is for you to launch your browser. So the browser I'm using here, you can use either Firefox, Google, Chrome, and the rest. Please, you see, this is my own browser. Are we there? I ask you to write down the name accounting.sage1.co.za. How many of you have that one? Accounting.sage1.co.za. Whether you are using your phone or your laptop, just try and be where I am now. If you have done that correctly, you should be where I am. Accounting.sage1.co.za. I just need 1 or 2 persons to just say, I'm there, I'm where you are. so that I won't be talking to myself only. 1, 2, 3, out of the mouth of 2 or 3, a matter is established. 2, 3 person, please confirm either by message that you are on the same page I am on the screen here. So you launch your browser, then you type accounting.sage1, sage1, SAGEONE, then .co.za. Anybody there? I will only continue when I have minimum of 2 persons. I send a message that I am there. Okay, okay, I can see that people are there. Yes, sir. Okay, okay. All right. Now listen and watch carefully. If you look at this is Sage Accounting Online. That's Sage Cloud. There is a hand up here. Is it Ajia Malama Adijat Mohammed? Can you unmute yourself? Let me hear your question. Please unmute yourself. Let me hear your question before I go forward.
Hadija. Hello?
Okay.
Hello. No questions. It's just a message. Sorry.
All right, no problem. Now,
Yeah.
see the assignment I'm going to give you, because if we say we should do that now, we may not be able to finish before time. Now, if you look up here, I'm going to guide you on how to go about it. Sign up as a user. I won't advise that you do that now. Let me just show you what to do. Because if you decide to continue to fill the form, when you are signing up as a user means before you can maximize the potentials embedded in Sage Accounting Online or Sage Cloud, they want you to register, and that registration means you are also prepared to be paying monthly subscription, but they will allow you to use it free for 1 year and for 1 month. So where we're actually going is demo company to show us for a company, a sample company already set up in the cloud. That's what we'll do. But if you want to sign up, which is the assignment I'm giving to us, please pay attention. You click on user. You click on user, sign up as a user. Watch. All the steps, what I'm saying I'm giving you as an assignment, if you download the workbook that comes with this training, all these steps I'm following already itemized in that workbook. Now you have company name, all the feed marked with red are compulsory feed. All these feed, see it here, company name, you can type the name of any company or just type the name of any company of your choice. Product type, accounting, correct. Country, when you come to country, use this arrow, select Nigeria. Because if you leave it in South Africa, all your report will be reading South African rands. Then you put your first name, you put your last name, mobile number, email, password. Make sure the password you are also using is the one maybe you are using for your current email address. It's something you need to remember. So once you put your password, confirm password. Then once of access code, they will give you that. You type like this one I'm seeing on the screen now. BHRNA, they expect me to retype it here. Fine. Then what you currently use, they are asking a question. See, immediately I click on that arrow, it's showing me options. I use other software not listed, Turbo Cash, QuickBooks, Pastel my invoicing, Pastel my business desktop, Pastel Express, Pastel Partner, outsource to my accountant. Manual, if it's manual, you choose the one. Then If it's Excel, you do that. Then we say years in business. How many years have you been in business? If I click this, either 1 year, this is my first year, second year, third year, fourth year holder. You pick the one as the case may be. Then this referral code is not compulsory. They are just saying there how you got to know about Sage Cloud. That referral, can put my name there. Finally, once you fill all this information, you will now click I accept the terms and conditions. Ladies and gentlemen, as soon as you click on I accept the terms and conditions, a confirmation notice will be sent to your mailbox. That's why I advise that you need to have a functional email address. Once they send that confirmation information to your mailbox, open it and click confirm. As soon as you click on confirm, straight, it will welcome you to the use of Sage Cloud and it will take you to the dashboard. I said the steps are there in the material you follow and create and sign up. Where we are going to today, let me show us now. I want us to have a feel of how cloud accounting is being organized. That's by going to the dashboard. So on your phone or your laptop, come and check. You know, I arrive at this place, just click this arrow to go back. If you have been following one of these back arrow, it will take you back to the original place we were when we started. Now, check, explore the demo company. See, explore the demo company. Click on that. Explore the demo company. Let's click and see now. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have now on the screen is the Sage Cloud dashboard. What we have now on the screen is the Sage Cloud dashboard. This is where we can now begin to perform all manner of accounting transactions, all manner. But before we attempt case study 1, let me show us some of the information and potentials in this cloud accounting. Number 1, if we come to home, you see home here, I say dashboard, customer dashboard. That means there is provision to see all your customers and the information about them. That's the dashboard. Supplier dashboard, item dashboard, financial dashboard, my workspace. Quick view, I will just click on this. When we say quick view, you want to quickly view information about your customer. I've clicked on that, just watch. Quick view, can you see information? The meaning is this: if you maximally utilize cloud-based accounting with specific reference to Sage, you will have all this information about your customers. Amount outstanding, this is the contact name, that's the customer. The customer's name is Morning View Bicycles. There's contact name, there's email, telephone, mobile, overview, see invoices, code, sales, everything is here for that particular customer. Then see the customer sales history, all the sales history graphically depicted. You have access to all this. This is unique mainly to cloud-based accounting, this Sage particularly. Now, let's go back. I'm going back to the demo company again. We look at customer, the same thing for suppliers, items, bank account. Now, see information about customers again. What I want to show us here now, you know what we are doing now is for a sample company, that's demo company already existing. Now, assuming you want to add new customers, because even an existing company is here expecting more customers. just like in the Nigerian College of Accountancy, if the college or the association deploy Sage Cloud to take record of all our members. As we have new members, when you graduate from the college, you do your induction, you are inducted as members. All they just need to do, customize this. Instead of customize, to be add a member. When I click on her, just watch. I click on add a customer. See what we get. Your customer name, category, opening balance, and everything, all your annual dues, all those who are owing the association, they will see all the information, your postal address, your contact details, and all manner of information. Membership number, they can create that one here. So this can actually be customized even for a professional body. So this is how to add new customer. I've just shown us. Now we go back. The other relevant one I want to show us is to see the various reports. We have suppliers who add suppliers, add items, banking. There's even provision for credit card. Accounts, add an account. Then when you come to accountant area, the assignment I'm giving to you, once you are able to sign up, follow the step in this manual. You sign up, that means you have registered. Even if you don't want to be doing monthly subscription, just use it for practice for 1 month. Because once you are able to sign up, what you will need next is the journal entries, these recurring journal entries. That is what you use to post the opening transactions and then debit credit. We'll see maybe our future and subsequent trainings will now do a practical application of this cloud. It takes some time. One of the trainings I've had on cloud, that should be late last year. I think it should be June, not late. We had a master class in cloud and desktop accounting application. It's a full 3-day just on cloud accounting and desktop accounting. 3 days. But here, what we are just doing here is to sensitize us, to open our eyes to see that these things are available. And some of you that are ready to pay the extra price will go the extra mile. Now, okay, I want to have a good mastery of cloud accounting. So you look out for future trainings that will come, that you can be part of those trainings. Just 3 days, you are there. You have a good mastery of the use of cloud and some desktop. Because when we come to such training, we don't stop at only Sage Cloud. We take minimum 2 other cloud-based accounting software. Now, the next thing I said I want to show us quick, can you see report? We want to check the reporting style, the reporting format in the cloud accounting. Is it IFRS compliant? Something like that. Can you see all manner of reports in this Sage Cloud? Sage Cloud is saying, I can generate for you garbage in, garbage out, depending on the data you have keyed in. I can generate for you accounting intelligence reporting, customers, report about suppliers, items, sales and purchases, banks and credit cards, VAT, see all of them there, VAT, account, financial statement, asset report, budget report. I want us to look at financial statements to see whether it complies with provision of IFRS. So from your handsets or your laptops or Chromebook or PalmTop, you click on financial statements. See the way I got there, reports. When you go to report, you come down to financial statement, I click on financial statement. Can you see financial statement? As far as this Sage Online is concerned, Sage Cloud, there's provision for profit and loss balance sheet, trial balance. Let's go and see the balance sheet straight. Balance sheet, otherwise known as statement of financial position. I click on the balance sheet. Watch. Can you see? Balance sheet reports. Then the next thing you do is to click on view report. You want to view it. See the report. It's already out there. So this is the balance sheet, or let's call it statement of financial position for, the name is there, Super Cycle Wholesale. Just see it here. I'm scrolling. Did you notice that they started with what? Non-current assets, equipment, motor vehicle, total non-current asset, followed by what? Current asset, bank USD, FCMB, Wale, National Bank current account, inventory opening balance, and so on. And we have the total asset. This is similar to the question we solved earlier using Microsoft Excel, that's spreadsheet, when we are asked to use Excel to prepare statement of financial position. You notice your non-current asset first, followed by current asset. Then you come here, equities and liabilities. This one start with equity, then followed by non-current liabilities, then current liabilities. And you can see that the total equity is the same thing as the total asset. So it's by implication, the Sage Cloud is IFRS compliant. Now, I will not stop here. I want to show us some other features here. In that same cloud, you cannot edit anything here. Your own is just to view. The highest you can do is either you export it. Maybe you have noticed the particular heading or the way this thing is different from the heading you are expecting. You can export it to Excel, then you go and do your normal editing, or for the heading. You can see how you export. You can export this balance sheet or statement of financial position. You can export it to PDF or Excel report. You can also export it, this another report, also like Excel format. Export report to CSV. Then you can print. Can you see? Right from the cloud. If you have a wireless printer, fine, you can send it straight. If you don't even have wireless, you can connect and print. Then see again, there's provision for you to email your report to a particular recipient. But let's see the PDF. Now I have the PDF. I cannot adjust anything here. I will click on PDF. Just watch. I'll click on PDF. Watch. Immediately, I'm sure you can see the screen. This balance sheet report has been exported to PDF. If it's an exam, let me tell you how they can ask you a question for exam here. After solving, you are the one who will post your transaction, not this one that is a demo one. There are two options. If it has been activated for you, you can use the option of email. They will just say, email your report to maybe NCA at anan.whatever. You can email your solution. But if there is no provision to email, you can export to PDF, then download and save as using your name and matric number. Then you submit. All right, let's leave this one. Going back to what else can we do? Okay, let me show you this one now. These same reports, I can, when you click on email, let's try that and see. There's something I want to draw your attention to. I want to email direct. Can you see? Email balance sheet report, recipient, copy. There is provision. You type the email address or the person you are sending it to, you copy whosoever you want to copy. Then subject balance sheet report, message. You even have opportunity to attach more documents if you want to attach. But if you notice, all these cells here, all these columns were not activated. Reason, we are using a demo version. So before you go and send somebody's report to a different person. Now, even the one I said you should sign up as an assignment, follow the step in the manual, this same email you cannot email. The only time you are given access to email is when you pay, when you subscribe. Finally, let's still go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. I'm still going back here. Yeah, I'm back to the dashboard. Check page 17. Page 17 of the workbook. We have one case study. I will solve that one. Then we are there for the day. And for those of us who don't have that one again, let me try and share the, do I have that question here? That means I still have to go and download. I think I closed everything earlier. Okay, how do I download the case study? I'll go here as ACCSA Global. ACCSAglobal.org. Once I'm there, I will go to the online courses. For those of us who have not downloaded all these templates, this is how you go about it. For the online courses, I will come straight digital accounting. This is what I'm downloading now, the workbook PEA. See the workbook? I want to believe we are all seeing that workbook now. See the workbook. Now, I said we have a question. We have a question on page 17. Once we attempt that one, we are done for the day. All this one you are seeing, they are the steps on how to sign up both Sage Cloud and Wave Cloud. Now see the question. See it on the screen. You say cloud accounting is the practice of using an accounting system that is accessed through the internet. Because cloud accounting systems are internet-based, you can access your records anywhere and on any device that has an internet connection using an app or web browser. Required. Use Sage Online to access the records of any sample company. We have done all those ones now. I've just shown us. View the income statement. You can view that later. View the balance sheet. We have done that. Say view the VAT records. We're going to check VAT records now and income statement. Export the income statement to PDF. I've shown us how to export that. Send the income statement as attachment to your mailbox. Then check your mailbox to download the income statement. That was straightforward. The last aspect I will show to us now. To answer that question, let's go to VAT. I will tell you the reason I want to show us that VAT. Last year is 2022. So it should actually be 2021. In 2021, please pay attention. I won't be surprised if some of you work in any of these tax authority or tax offices, or you work in a commission, a regulatory commission or a regulatory institution that they can give you assignment one day as an accountant. Okay, we want you to go and investigate the affairs of another client or taxpayer. Well, let me share this experience. 2021, we organized a training for the directors and managers of Federal Inland Revenue Service. We had the 2 batches in Lagos, there are another 2 batches in Abuja. So during the course of, and that training was master class in electronic auditing and forensic accounting. Master class in electronic auditing and forensic accounting. Now, during the course of presentation, I took them to the cloud just the same way we are seeing it now. And when it was time for questions, one of the directors stood up and said, "Prof, you won't believe it that before I came for this training, I was sent by the FIRS to go and investigate a client, that's a taxpayer in Port Harcourt. Arriving the company, I asked them, where are your records? Because the